urgent EU ordinary sailor to embark with Social Security 2,200 euros if you are an AB from other type of ships. For example, dredge ABs. Today in Europe we have received applications, but you don't accept to join as ordinary sailor because you are a dredge AB with 10-15 years experience but zero Social Security. So we are making this video to teach you and see if you would really accept to join as ordinary sailor 2-3 contracts, and then this is 2,200 euros, and then jump to AB 3,100 euros net. You know, Italian Social Security has unemployment, pension, sanitary assistance, any accident. If you are a young AB and you are from a dredge with no Social Security, or you are from a cruise, no Social Security, general cargo, even tanker, chemical, LNG ships, European, but you want to jump to Social Security and there is no option today. Perhaps you talk with your partner and you decide to jump today as ordinary sailor. You need just to have 1 year's AB, and then on board with 2-3 contracts, you will be promoted. Probably, as there are zero European ABs, these politicians are always talking about what's the problem with another country, but never their own citizens and the jobs, how to bring money to our own country, which is the most complicated thing. Bring money to our country from a foreign nation. You, hero seafarer, if you think you deserve to have the Social Security, I propose that you think about jumping as ordinary sailor. You don't need English, you can have just Italian. We have the company format. There is 77 ships. If you are an electrician, if you're a plumber, if you're a fitter, if you're a bosun, you can jump in any ways fast, with very little experience, but lower rank, because the company is very strict to have minimum 12 months experience on board Ro-Ro or Ropax ships. But I thought perhaps I'll do this video because as there are no ABs in Europe, 3,100 euros, 1 year Ropax experienced or Ro-Ro ships with Italian basic, we have the manual here, then I thought perhaps you'd think about jumping as ordinary sailor, and then once on board, think about your long-term Italian Social Security. Well, if you like this video, subscribe, apply urgently, because we are requiring about 100 ordinary sailors and about 300 ABs. But there are not ABs in Europe. Thank you very much indeed, and hurry, because it looks like Spain will nationalize 500,000 immigrants in May, and perhaps then things change. Perhaps. Thank you. Bye.